I'm Ciliann. Welcome to my art channel. In this video I show you how to paint aster flowers in oil color. Enjoy! So asters, they're officially the flower of September, which is this month. And they don't usually grow just one at a time. They're usually in a nice field full of them. A bunch. So we're working on a greenish background of a bunch of grassy area. And it doesn't have to show exactly apparently which all those blades of grass. It can be also more blended out, since it's really just the background. Usually a picture of asters will appear like that. A whole bunch on a lovely grassy field. So we're using a very small brush for this. And they do come in a variety of shades of purple and blue. Light blue, a little darker, more purplish color. And we want to work from the outside in, so that the nice rounded edge of each petal is coming from the outside towards the center. If you're doing this on a small canvas or paper, you can actually turn your canvas upside down. I didn't find that so convenient with my large canvas, so I had to turn my hand in all kinds of directions. And when you look at an aster flower, you can find them in a variety of positions. It probably depends on how old the flower is, how opened up it is. So the petals could be sort of cup-shaped, or they could be pointing all downwards and the center will be up like a pom-pom, or they could be pretty much standing together, facing forward. So the dark color, the bluish purple color, is sort of the base, and on top we'll brush over with some white, and in each center we'll give some yellow pollen areas. If you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. We have lots of other flower videos, all different kinds. So here I chose a lighter purpley color. And it's fun, especially for making a whole field full of flowers. It's fun that each one doesn't look exactly the same. It's fun to have variety. Some are a little more blue, some a little more purple, some very bright, and also in different positions. And here we'll just tap the center with that yellowish brown mixture, so that it has a kind of mottled look. We don't want to just draw a circle in the middle. We want to show that there are different little pollen areas. So we'll just tap around in the shape of a circle and try not to overdo it. The less oil painting is worked on is usually the better, since it can get very muddy otherwise. And we want to make more asters, since they're so cute and pretty and quick. Nothing too complicated, just a sweet little flower. So we'll add more grassy area, and this part is less defined. It's sort of just a background. You don't see all the individual blades. And you might find that you have to reload your paintbrush each time that you want to do a petal to make sure that you have enough paint for each stroke, that each one should come out nice and rounded. And you can even make some a little bit thicker petals. Find often with flowers that they're not just one way, even a certain variety can come in all different types of sizes of petals and leaves and things. So, especially since it's art, you can just do it how you like it. You can make a lot of small petals, you can make fewer bigger ones, and still claim that it's an aster. Once again, we'll top it off with strokes of white. Careful not to blend too much with the color underneath. Just the right amount for the amount of light white shining off of each petal. And once you have that white on your brush and you're picking up some of the color underneath, you can always add a few more thin petals here and there. Just try to go around in a circle, starting from the outer edge and moving towards the center. And the center doesn't have to be so perfect, since you're anyways going to get a nice dose of pollen. Once again, just tapping it on carefully without over blending it. And for some detail, we'll just add a few more blades and stalks of grass. Might have been opposite, better like darker grass area and lighter stalks. But this is nice. So you can just keep adding however much blades of grass you like, and finish your field of asters whenever you please. I hope you enjoyed watching. And have a great day.